Everyone, welcome back to my channel. ଆଜି ଆମେ ହୋପନୋପନକୁ କେମିତି ମନି ଆଟ୍ରାକ୍ଟ ପାଇଁ ୟୁଜ୍ କରିବା ସେଟା ଆମେ ଆଜି ଶିଖିବା। ଆମେ ସବୁବେଳେ ମନିକୁ ଗୋଟେ ଅବଜେକ୍ଟ ଆକାରରେ ନେଉଛେ ବା ଅବଜେକ୍ଟ ଆକାରରେ ଆମେ ତାକୁ ଫିଲ୍ କରୁଛେ, କିନ୍ତୁ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ମନି ହେଉଛି ଗୋଟେ ଏନର୍ଜି। ଆମେ ସବୁ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ଏନର୍ଜିରେ ତିଆରି। ତ ସମସ୍ତେ ଆମେ ୱାନ୍, ଅଲ୍ ଆର୍ ୱାନ୍। ତ ଆମେ ମନିକୁ କେମିତି ଆଟ୍ରାକ୍ଟ କରିପାରିବା ସେଇଟା ଆଜି ଆମେ ଶିଖିବା। କନଭରସେସନ୍ ହୋପନୋପନୋ ଫର୍ ମନି। I am really very sorry for all the money I have wasted. I'm really very sorry, money, for not working hard enough to appreciate money. Please forgive me, money. Please forgive me, my dear money, for not taking care of you. Please forgive me, money, for not bringing you more in my life. Please forgive me, my dear money, for not bringing you in my life. Oh, you want to come, but I am the one who are blocked you. I am really sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you, dear money, for bring like water, for coming in my life. Even though I have been blocking you, but just like water to enter in multiple corners, you have been finding small ways to come in my life. Thank you so much for taking care of me. I love you, dear money. I really love you. I promise from now I will love you and respect you, every form of you, small and big both, slow and fast both, from one direction to many directions. I always welcome you with love and respect. I am sorry, money. Please forgive me, money. Thank you, money. I love you, money. I am sorry, money. Please forgive me, money. Thank you, money. And I love you, money.